Good morning! This is our post-Christmas hike, Whitney Canyon. It's not as nice because it's not flowing even after the rains from yesterday. But this is the best, well, this is the farthest we could go. The mini waterfalls, cascades, and pools. That's one pool, goes up to another pool, and then since I've never been here before, I don't know what's up. There should be another pool. It's sketchy. There's another pool that should have been another pool. See the canyon. Okay, we're going up. Okay. Alright. Well, the water is flowing. Kinda, sorta. Okay. Should have been another pool. Flows down that way. Say hi, Marielle!
Hi!
Are you bored?
No.
Are you having fun? Marielle!
Huh?
What? Let me go higher, see what's up. You could go. Huh? No, this is as high as you could go. Because the waterfall up there is near vertical. This one is not. Okay. You know how to climb, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There's Marielle, my little rock climber. Careful, there's moss. It's slippery and it's still wet. Basa pa.
I'll stay here.
And mommy has got a broken hand, wrist. Cool. Okay, go, go, go. Go to the last waterfall.
Up there?
Yeah, to the base. We're not climbing it. Sayang, oh look. This could have been a beautiful flow. We could have gone here yesterday, pero ay nako. Ayan, oh. See, that's where you need ropes. Look. You could still climb it. Oh, someone stacked rocks over there. You want to break it down? Because it's not natural.
What?
You know. Yeah, this is as far as we will go. But we could still climb it, right?
Yeah. Up the log.
Look. Look how far. Oh, look how high. That's a good 20 feet. And there's a small pool. And there is zero flow. Well, almost, like, yeah, zero almost. And there you go. Are you scared to climb?
No, kind of.
Let's see how far you could go. Watch your footing. It's nearly vertical, pero it's doable.
I can't.
Huh?
Too high.
Okay. I have to go down. Okay, see, this is the canyon. This is as far as we could go. Are you having fun?
Can I go down and go all
Marielle,
the
I'm
way
asking
up
you
again?
something. Are you having fun still?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look, there's still a little bit of water flow. Look.
I know.
There.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can we go down again and go all
Okay.
the way up?
Tell them where we are.
I don't know.
Whitney Canyon.
Whitney Canyon.
Careful, ha? Ingat. And this is it. We're heading back.
And then we can go up.